I will show you what you can do with the function mirror. Piece. Flip. If you click a piece with the middle mouse button, it will be flipped over the x-axis. You don't have to take care which element is highlighted. If you want to flip a piece over the y-axis, you will use the right mouse button like indicated in the dialog box. Imagine you want to lightly change these pants and have a back pocket but only on one side. You can copy the back piece. Select the function flip, and then click the copy with the right mouse button. Draw the position of the pocket and add the corresponding drill holes. The third possibility is to flip a piece by selecting an existing line which will deal as mirror line. I show it with a common example, which can happen when you set two pieces together. For example, if you set the front piece together with the back piece in order to create one armhole facing. If I want to flip my back piece over the shoulder line, I can start the function flip, click the mirror line, the shoulder line, and then click the back piece. Then I can trace my facing.